NexSAA is an AI-powered assessment platform built to help teams design assessments, run evaluations, and track skill outcomes with clarity. In this video, we'll walk through the home dashboard, covering the layout, navigation, key dashboard widgets, and how to read insights quickly. On the left is your primary navigation. Dashboard gives a high-level summary. Pulse is for real-time skill checks and instant feedback. Question bank is where questions are created and organized. Assessments is where exams are managed end-to-end. Users control access, roles, and participations. And email templates help standardize assessment communication. At the top, you'll see the logged-in user context. On the right, you can switch between light and dark mode for better viewing. This card shows upcoming assessments. If there are scheduled exams, they appear here. On the right, previous assessments gives you quick summaries of completed or past assessments. Each card shows the assessment name and section count. You'll also notice a strength indicator like low or strong, which helps team scan performance quality faster. Below that, the information chips summarize key details: schedule time and date, invited count, time zone, and maximum marks. Each assessment also includes a performance snapshot. This shows the average score percentage along with highest score, average, and pass rate. Assessments versus attendance helps you track participation at scale. You can quickly see how many examinees attended, how many were absent, and whether assessments were held or cancelled. The bubble size makes trends easy to spot instantly. Then assessments versus toppers compares performance across multiple assessments. For each assessment, you can view topper performance, average levels, and low performance markers. This is useful when you want to benchmark cohort and identify where skill gaps are most visible. The question bank analysis section shows the distribution of questions by type like MCQ, true, false, descriptive, programming, and more. This helps teams balance assessment formats instead of relying too heavily on one type. At the bottom, NexSAA also shows how your question bank is being built, including manual questions, AI-generated questions, and pending AI generation. In summary, the home dashboard of NexSAA is built for quick decision making. It brings assessments, participation, performance, and question intelligence into one view, so teams can reduce manual tracking and act faster with confidence.